Or is this giant fish?
Today it's raining. On the way to Adam's dad's house, we found one snail. God bless you. We are walking on the way to Adam's dad's house. It's raining. Like my heart. A lot of condolences for the dead people in South Korea. And also my personal level of life. I need to keep praying for my mom. Yeah, today it's like rainy day. And I'm thankful that Gom is here to support me. Gom is boosting me up. Gom is encouraging me. Life, there's many ups and downs, nobody can predict, so that's why we need to live our life like honestly and sincerely, and we need to walk in the right path, not hurting others, not cheating, not lying, just being honest and be truthful and be thankful. Talk to you later, guys. Bye. Say bye, Gomi. Actually, life is an experiment, and also life is kind of like journey, because journey, you'll never know what's gonna happen ahead of you. So that's kind of like my mindset and mentality. So you need to enjoy every moment of your life like carpe diem, because nobody knows what's gonna happen ahead of you. Like today you're so like happy, let's say, but tomorrow because of your relatives or like family members or blah blah blah, or job situation blah blah blah, tomorrow you'll never know what's gonna happen. So you need to maximize every moment. I know it's not like very easy to put that into practice, but that's the right mindset, I would say. And yeah. And I want to share about our motivation, or like the reason why, or the background of our YouTubing, like vlogging. Like it's always like good to share our thoughts on our daily lives, you know, like with whoever it is. Like it's very valuable and it's worth it to share every moment of life with the people who are precious around you. Like to your friends that you know, and to the friends that you don't know, all around the world, you know, to the nations worldwide.